Classification. Classification of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Mono, di, tri or polyhydric compounds. Alcohols and phenols are generally classified according to the number of hydroxyl groups present in the molecule. The alcohols containing one hydroxyl group are termed monohydroxy, with two hydroxyl groups as dihydroxy, and with three hydroxyl groups as trihydroxy. Phenols containing one hydroxyl group are termed as monohydric, with two hydroxyl groups as dihydric, and with three hydroxyl groups as trihydric. Classification. Monohydroxy alcohols can be subdivided on the basis of hybridization of the carbon atom to which the hydroxyl group is attached. Compounds containing sp3 hybridized carbon atom bonded with hydroxyl group. The hydroxyl group in alcohol is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group. They are further subdivided into primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Allylic alcohols. Those alcohols in which hydroxyl group is attached to single bonded sp3 hybridized carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond, that is, to allylic carbon, are called allylic alcohols. Benzylic alcohol. Those alcohols in which hydroxyl group is attached to single bonded sp3 hybridized carbon next to aromatic ring are called benzylic alcohols. Classification. Compounds containing sp2 hybridized carbon atom bonded with hydroxyl group. The hydroxyl group in alcohols attached to a carbon-carbon double bond, that is, to a vinylic carbon. They are also known as vinylic alcohols. Ethers. Ethers are organic compounds which can be represented by the general formula ROR-. The groups R and R- may be alkyl or aryl, either